You take out the bolts for the holder for the compressor, air compressor, and the alternator. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bolts, 14 span or a socket. Then the air compressor is a 12 bolt socket. So you take out the bolts. So once you remove here, you will see. So I'm taking out the cover, the holder for this thing here. Let's take it out and see what will come out from there. So this is bolt number 1 I'm taking out. Take out bolt number 1. Yeah, okay, it's loose. And take out the second bolt here, and let's see how it goes. Let's remove this bolt here. We take out this bolt here. Okay, we take out this bolt for the holder for the compressor and aircon, compressor and alternator. We take out this bolt here. It takes time to remove, but be patient and don't do it fast. Just take your time to take out this thing here. It will be much quicker and easier. Okay, it's out. Now you can see the size of the bolt. It dropped there. And this one I can remove with the hands because it's already loose. I want to show you the size of this one. You must know the size because they differ in size. So these two are short. This one is short. You can actually see it's already done. It's short. You see, this is short. It's for here. Now this one is also short. This one here is a short bolt. We have the long ones on the compressor and the alternator. This is short also here. That's a short bolt. Let's take it out. And this one also is short. This one is a little bit tricky to take out, but we can do it. It's doable. Take out this one here. Okay, I think I am winning. It's already out, but let's keep on pushing for a few seconds. I think I can push with my hands now. Okay, let's remove this bolt here and see how long is the bolt. Because the important part is to see how long is the bolt. We take out this one here. Remember, this is a Hyundai i times 35. Okay, let's check out this 2011 or 2014 or 2011. I'm not sure. Let me take out this one here. See, it's also short. It's also short, but we keep it here. We take out this one here. Okay, I have one hand holding my camera and myself. So let's take this one out. Okay, it's out already. You can see it's out, but it's held by this bolt here. So I'm using one hand, and let's see if I can take out this one. Looks like I need a ratchet socket just to take it out. You can put a socket there. It's easy. You roll a socket. So to roll a socket is much easier. Remember, we want to take out the cylinder head. So this car is tricky. Most cars are easy to take out the cylinder head. You don't need to take the front cover, the timing chain front cover. Nah. But these ones, I don't know where the engineers, whether they don't like mechanics. So they make sure we suffer. We take out the... Now this one is too short. The bottom ones are too short. I normally want to keep these bolts here. Then I can take it out. So this is the holder. This one is a holder of the timing, the holder. So I'll put the holder here. And you must keep the bolts on the holder for safety.